Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove age restriction on YouTube app. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. Once opened, click on the U button at the bottom right. Then click on the settings icon at top right. Now you want to click on general. Under general, scroll down, locate restricted mode and make sure this is disabled. If restricted mode is enabled, go ahead and disable this. Now, once you disable that, then go back and see if you can watch the YouTube video. And if you're unable to watch the video, then go back again, click on the U button, go ahead and click on Google account. Once you selected Google account, hang on for this to open your Google account. Now, the first you want to do is you want to make sure you select the default Google account. To do that, click on the profile picture at the top right, then come here and select the Google account where you have age restrictions enabled. Then come to personal info, click on that. And then you want to scroll down to your age, click on age. Once you selected age, you want to check whether your age is above 18. If not, click on the age where you see birthday, and then you can now come here, edit the age. So you must make sure you are over 18 years. So maybe you want to type in 2000. You see that? Then go ahead and click on save. Once you hit the save button, then go back to the YouTube video and see if you can watch it again. So that is exactly how you can easily remove age restriction on YouTube app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.